Hi y'all, so we have a collective beauty haul and I went to a bunch of different stores, shopped online. So this is going to be just a bunch of items that I got recently. Okay, nails. Okay, so I picked up some gel nail polish on Amazon. Okay, these are by Beetles. And they're this is Brighten Your Style Gel Nail Polish Set. So I think this is around $20. And inside you get, I made some swatches of the different nail colors. So I'll just show you guys here. So these are the colors that I got. That one that's smeared is like a violet pink, and then there's white next to it. And then there's a second card. There's the sparkly pink, which I have on this nail. And then there's a hot pink, a sparkly purple, and then a darker maroonish purple. So the nail polishes come in different little styrofoam compartment. And so you get all those colors. They had lots of different colors, like wild colors, neon colors, blues, but I chose to get like some of the more reds, pinks, and purples because that's probably mostly what I'm going to be wearing. This set of, I don't even know what they're called, but it's basically how you take off the nail polish. You put the cotton around it that's soaked in acetone, and these are the little cotton pads that are soaked in acetone. Nail polish remover. And you know how when you go to the nail shop, they wrap your hand in foil, or they may use one of these. And I got them, they were super cheap. They were like, I don't even know, but they were super cheap. So I got these, there's 10 of them, with this little tool, which scrapes off the nail polish, I guess, or helps get it off. It also came with a nail brush, a pink nail brush, and a file. And this is Morgellus, I don't know. But this is a really good file, it works pretty good. And here are the cotton pads that also came with it. So I didn't have to even use the soak or anything. I just took this little metal piece and just hooked it on the side and just started pulling it off, and it came off. But I guess if you need it, you got them, just in case. I already have one of those gel setting, I guess, lights, the LED lights that cure your nails in 30 seconds. I got that with the Sally's kit that I bought. So I did my nails in like 10 minutes. Okay, next thing I bought, I got this from Ross, because Ross is back open. This is Wright's Apothecary, the Positive Energy Creator, clear quartz infused, helps to enhance the energy flow. Scented body mist and body oil set. It's pink and it has the quartz crystal inside, and it's a body oil and a smell good. And it's by Wright's Apothecary if you want to go find it online. The next thing I got at Ross was this really pretty bougie pink and white rose tea cup and saucer set. And it's not like that super thin china, it's pretty thick ceramic, but it has the look of that really pretty bone china. This is by the brand Elegance, and this was $6.99, of course, at Ross. It has these little plastic things on it holding it in place, but isn't that pretty? So I can be bougie drinking my coffee or tea. If y'all notice, the lighting is so much better in my bathroom. Let me show y'all why. Because I went to Five Below and I got these lights. I only have one on, and then I have another lamp over here, the one I usually have. But this one is so bright. I'm gonna turn it on, but I'm gonna point it that way so y'all don't go blind. But look how light that is. Look, I'll put it on. So if y'all are looking for lighting, like even if it's for a vanity area, they do come with these little sticky things on the back, and they're magnets, and you just peel off this part and you can stick it to your bathroom mirrors. You can stick it to, you know, whatever, the mirror that you buy, but definitely worth $5 from five and below. Just look at the difference between the lighting. You know, just only one is on. If I turn on 2, it's even better. See, you can set the timer to see when you want it to go off, because it is ran by battery, and the batteries come with it, so you don't have to even buy batteries. You'll just see them next to these the gadget and tech section. I also got a charger, a 10-foot charger for my iPhone. I also have this, I wish I could show you, maybe I'll show you in another haul, but it's this pretty pink phone holder that holds your phone while you record, and you can do videos. So that's why I'm on my phone. Okay, next thing I got was some candles. Vanilla by Bloom and Prosper. I just got a vanilla candle. Bath and Body Works. It's not open yet, so I can't go get my candles that I normally like to burn. So I had to settle for Ross's candle section, and they have a pretty good candle section, and the scents are very nice and very strong. So I mean, you'll get a good candle. This was $5.99. So this will last me a while. It smells good, and it's gonna do the trick until Bath and Body Works opens back up. Now this one, this is really pretty. It's like an etched glass, but it's pink, and it has this little pretty sticker on it. It says Nourishing Shea, Ivy Botanicals Candle Co. Okay, shea flower and almond wrapped with vanilla bean. And also it contains essential oils. So I haven't really smelled. Oh, and it looks, it has this really pretty top. It says Ivy Botanicals Candle Co. And it's a 2-wick candle, and it smells so good. And it's so cute because on the inside it gives you the sticker of what type of candle it is. So this smells good. It's a very sweet vanilla-y, floral vanilla almond. Okay, you got it. Okay, the next thing I bought was this makeup brush cleanser. This is from Five and Below, and it's sealed because I haven't opened it, but it pumps just like a micellar water, and it pumps like this, and you can like pump it, and I don't know why it would come like that, because, but I guess you can control the amount that comes out, I guess. So I got that because I need to clean my brushes. So these are the brushes, one of the sets that come with 15 brushes. And so I have them up for display on my, in my vanity area. And this is how they look when you first get them. Aren't they beautiful? Just gorgeous. And they say Level Up Cosmetics on them. They're nice and fluffy, cruelty free. They're made out of wood and has this really pretty gold hardware. So I've been using mine that I use for makeup, and they have gotten a little dirty. So I have to go and clean them. They're not probably gonna ever look like the new ones again, but they'll be clean and fresh. I also, don't laugh at this, okay? Don't laugh. I picked up this toilet light. This was a impulse buy. Your toilet light can turn blue or rainbow. And like in the middle of the night, if you have to get up, you don't have to turn on your lights, you don't have to disturb other people, the toilet is lit. And it just also makes it interesting. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna put it on. I'm probably gonna give it to Layla and she'll use it because she's into those LED lights everywhere in her room. Okay, so at Ross, they had this giant Summer Grace Philosophy lotion with a pump, y'all. Y'all know how expensive Philosophy stuff is. It's the body firming, it's firming body emulser, and it's Philosophy Summer Grace. So normally this was like $45. Guess how much I paid for it? $9. And it's still sealed. Like, it's not even open, it's still sealed. I haven't even gotten to open it. But this was $9 at Ross. It's just sitting there waiting for me. And it's so pretty. Like, it's just a simple bottle, but it'll last you forever. You have the little pump on it. I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna mess up my nail because I already kind of messed up. But love that. That was a great deal. Love that deal. So I bought this little pillow also from Five Below, and it's just a little cheap pillow. I usually have it on this chair. I've had it on this chair because this chair is hard, and when I'm filming in here or doing my makeup for a long period of time, my booty gets like numb from sitting on this hard chair. So I put this pillow underneath me, okay? And it matches because it's pink. I also bought some new bathroom rugs for the bathroom in here. This is by Thread House. I got these at Ross. And it comes with a larger one and then a smaller one. And I think these were $11.99. I have the same ones in like this really pretty sage green, but I'm gonna wash those and put these down and just switch them out just so I can have like a little change of rug. I also ordered some faux flowers online. Got these little faux flowers. I don't know. Faux, not for, but fake, like faux. And I think I got these from shein.com because they have a home goods section on Shein. And so I was just on there shopping and I was like, well, let me go ahead and get something. I'll make like a cute little flower arrangement. And they're pretty. I thought they were bigger than this, but I guess you can kind of flip them out. They're really pretty for like cute small flower arrangements in a little area in your house. I already know what I'm gonna do with it, and I might show y'all on a vlog from my other channel, so y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up the video, subscribe if y'all are new, share the video, and I'll see y'all